వ్యూవర్స్ ఈ వీడియోలు మిస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి, పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.
హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ డిగ్రీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ English medium. Students, we are discussing the production analysis. So in the production analysis, we discussed in previous videos ISO quants analysis or ISO product analysis. ISO means equal production or equi production. ISO quants or ISO product analysis. So in this video I am going to analyze the marginal rate of technical substitution. How can we analyze the marginal rate of substitution, technical substitution? I will explain here. Please listen carefully. ISO quants or products. ISO quant analysis or ISO product analysis. Simple. So in the ISO quants analysis, we are discussing the marginal rate of technical substitution. Marginal rate of technical substitution. It is a marginal rate of technical substitution, MRTS. So ISO quants analysis in the marginal rate of technical substitution, MRTS, producer they want to produce with the help of the two combination of factors. The producer he wants to produce the goods or services. It is a two combination of goods, two combination of factors of productions. Which are the combination of factors of productions means, suppose here labor one, second one capital. By using the labor and a capital, he produced the goods. For example, by using the capital and the labor combination, capital and labor combination, how the marginal rate of substitution means here, try to understand. Suppose one labor, simple, one labor using of 25 capital, how much production means production or output. It is nothing but the output. Output is, for example, 100. By combination of two, one is labor, second one is capital, he produced 100. Suppose if you want to labor increases, then he should reduce the capital. It is a 60. And the second row also, the second combination also, here the combination, the second, this is A combination, this is B combination. The B combination will also gives the same production. Okay, the first combination means just like row. The first combination gives them 100 output, and when the change of combination change, when the combination of labor capital changes, automatically he should get same production, it is 100. Okay, then the labor increases to 3, it is a C combination, C row, face you may say. It is the C combination at the 3 labor, and here the capital is of 13, here is also the production output is 100. What is going on? Here the capital is substitute for labor. The capital is substitute for labor. Suppose if you want to increase of one labor, you want to increase the one labor, the capital is substitute. Labor is, the capital is substitute for labor. Substitute. What is marginal rate of? What is the marginal rate of? I will explain. So when the D combination, if you want to increase the 4, and this is a how much, 10, here is also output is 100. Okay, then E combination, here is 5, and here how much, for example this is 11, here 10, here is also 100. Okay, then what happened here? Here is also the production is the same. At the first row produced 100, and the last combination is also giving the same production. And which is gives the more production of a producer, and which is gives the low production of the producer? No one. All combinations, all phases, for example combinations, all combinations will give them same production. Okay, so one labor means the capital is a substitute for labor. See here, this is all. Simple. Combination, labor, capital and output. Try to understand. Marginal rate of technical substitution is L for C. The marginal rate of substitution, L for C. The C is a substitute for L. The C is a substitute for L. Here C is equal to delta C by delta L. Delta means change. Capital changes and the labor is also changes. But the capital is a minus. It is changes with minus. The capital is changing with minus, and the L is changing with plus. Plus means increases. Changes with minus, this is with plus. So delta C by delta Y, delta L. Okay, so try to understand. This is a marginal rate of technical substitution. In the marginal rate of technical substitution, simple and here first, how much percentage the capital is losing for X, another X. First one is 5. First dash, first one is 5. Okay, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay now, then 1 for 5, for 1x, for 1 L. The 5 percentage rate of marginal means additional. Marginal means additional. The first one he lost the 5 rate. Y capital is lost for labor. First 5%, then 3%, next 2%, next 1%. You may say నాకు ఇక్కడ 4 కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు, మన ఇష్టం ఎంతైనా మార్చుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 4 రావాలి కదా సార్, 4 రాలేదంటే అట్లా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు, మన ఇష్టం. 4 రావాలని ఏమో తగ్గించుకోవచ్చు, ఎంతైనా తగ్గించుకోవచ్చు, మన ఇష్టం. లేదు మీరు 4 రావాలంటే మళ్ళీ దీన్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. మనం ఏం చేద్దాం, 25, then 20, then 16, then 13, then 11. Simple. So then 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు 1 వస్తుంది. మన ఇష్టం ఏవైనా మార్చుకోవచ్చు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కోసం కాబట్టి. సో ఫస్ట్ 5, For additional 1, he lost the 5 of capital. For additional 1, he lost of 4. Means the marginal, the 4 is the marginal for 5. Okay, so the marginal rate is goes on diminishing. Marginal rate of technical substitution. So 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay na? So this is the marginal rate of technical substitution. Capital is substitute for labor. Okay, so this is a technical marginal rate of technical substitution. So this can be shown in the diagram. Observe carefully. Marginal rate of technical substitution. Okay now, and here this is a 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These actions represent labor. These actions represent capital. Capital. Okay. Then here this is 11, 13, 16, 20, 25. Okay. Then the combination A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So you observe carefully here. What is the percentage of A to B? 1:5%. Then 1:4%. The gap, once again you observe the gap, 1:5, 1:4, then 1:3, 1:2. Okay, so observe carefully. So this is the marginal rate of technical substitution. So this gap is long. See here, 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, 1.1. Okay. So this is a marginal rate of technical substitution. So this is the way of the presentation of marginal rate of substitution in the isoquants or isoproduct analysis. Okay, so students, this is the way of the presentation of marginal rate of technical substitution. The marginal rate of technical substitution slope is negative. Negative means it is a downwards from left to right. Okay, so this is the marginal rate of substitution. సో ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీరు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటే షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ని కొత్తగా చూస్తున్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.